As you can clearly see, I made one hell of a mistake a couple of weeks ago. I thought there'd be at most 5 or 6 or 7 different types of beans in tomato sauce. This is already 13 and I don't know if that's all. I know some of them might be made in the same factory, but yeah, I'm gonna review everything one at a time because I thought of making a comparison video, but it's not possible. So if you know about anything else that I can go and buy, it's cheap, between 11 and 16 rand, and it gives you some nutritional value. And it's nice, it really tastes nice. Okay guys, love you all till next time.